So, hey you guys, welcome back to Just a DIY. And today, Carolyn's not in this video, and just to tell you, this is a spoof, so it's all fake, and we can just move on to the video. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, guys, so, hey you guys, welcome back to Just a DIY. Okay, I had to start over my intro since I failed. Okay, so today we will be reviewing the squishy package, and it is from squishyfunzy.com. Yeah, and so I'm really excited. They also gave us a card to Jessica Wang and from squishyfunzy.com. So that is what they just wrote, and let's just see what they wrote. So they didn't actually fill out the whole paper, but I'll give you guys a few moments to look at it. Okay, so what it says is, if you didn't read all of it yet, please do not contact, no problems at all. Warning, make sure to keep all the squishies. Looks like they don't have any problem with them, and there's nothing wrong. And if you guys hear the piano voice, it's just my mom downstairs playing some piano. So yeah, so it even says from Brazil, shipment for free. Okay, and it says to Jessica Wang, and I had to actually censor where I live, since I don't want you guys to know my where I live, because I had to censor it. Okay, next, my email, and here's my password, but again, I had to censor them. Next, I have shipped 2 months ago. Yeah, I had to wait 2 months. Okay, well, let's get started with this package. Anything here? Oh, I see some on the back. Well, nothing bad looks here, so I'll just open it up, I guess. Oh, it's so hard. I might need to look at that. Okay, so I remember I lit my list, and I always order a Squishy Frankenstein first. And here's my goodness, what's wrong with me? My Squishy Frankenstein. So, Squishy Frankenstein, on here it says, just take it off, and here's my Squishy Frankenstein. Ooh, that looks really squishy, actually. It's actually not really slurring, though. Maybe I'm just squishing it back, though. I don't know. It smells surprisingly good. Like, see, that's not really slurring. Well, I'll just take it out of the baggie. Yeah, like that. Ooh, it's more slurring. Yeah, it's actually because of the back maybe. So I don't see any. What? Wait a minute, there is a hand missing here. Don't tell me it's on the other side too. Whoa, I guess that's the only thing that's bad about this. Is this another dent? Seriously? I didn't even finish saying the word squishy. And look at this big dent. It is so big. This is so bad. And I just noticed that there's some... The ear came off. You guys. The ear. It came off. My goodness. The ear came off. Well, I guess the ear came off, so there's a little dent here too. Better not pull them too hard. Or else, yeah, this squishy is so bad. There's even a little bit on the top and very big dents here. And yeah, I can't believe that they even gave us a squishy that has a broken ear. It's so disgusting. Ew! Okay. Next, I wanted a squishy long john, I think. And I also want some extra, but let's review the long john first. So for here, we have the long john. So it's not always raising again. But not just in the package. In the package is all white. Is this a paper squishy? Because it looks so fake. Like, and here's definitely my Long John. Alright, well, let's just show you guys the Long John. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess that's what it looks like. Yeah. Bad. Okay, well, whatever. Oh, there's more. Okay. Can't forget. Oh my god. I think they got my order wrong. I wanted a Papazoo chocolate dip sheep, and this is a Papazoo pizza sheep. Pizza sheep. Why did they write pizza sheep? That's so weird. Like, I mean, first of all, what? First of all, look. So, looks like they got my order wrong. Well, next, 3D panda bun. So here's what it looks like, and definitely a panda bun. And I guess this is actually what I wanted, I guess. But it's just not something at all. Like, I mean it is, but I don't like the texture of it. And here's my extras. So, I don't know what this is, but it doesn't look like squishies. Like, I don't even know. So this says extras, and there's only one extra, I guess. Like, I might even have to play it here. Well, let's just show you guys. There's extra then. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on the table because I don't want to put it on my bed. See, that's my pillow. You know, I have my own room now. Ew. Okay. Well, this is definitely not. That's definitely not squishies or anything else that they were supposed to put. But this looks actually pretty good. It's like some kind of putty. I don't know, but there's a lot. Is it a kind of... Is it sand? Never heard of it. So weird. Okay, it's kind of like cloud slime, cloudy slime, except it's like not even stretched out. It like breaks easily or just gets molded. So this looks like sand. This definitely looks like sand. But it also like first of all, I thought it was actually green sand. I was like, wait, there's kind of green sand in the world. And then I was like, oh wait, this doesn't even feel like sand. Sand is not as stretchy. See, it just breaks easily, but it has this kind of cloud slime texture. Like, that's so weird. That is so weird. Well, yeah. Just put it back. And it's super messy. I definitely thought I was messy. Gee. Well, guess that they're scratching me. And they told us, me, to not contact them. This company of these horrible squishies. But, well, whatever. It wasn't worth it all. But, like, I really like this kind of sand thing. I still don't know what it is. I'm just going to search on the web. And yeah. So, yeah. Hey, guys. So, I am back. And just to tell you, I do know what this is called. It's something called Connect Sand. I definitely know what it's called. I'm just pretending. By the way, this is a spoof. And during the video, I actually include this ear. So it looks like that. That was pretty cool. So, yeah, and I actually really like these squishies. I don't blame them. And I just made this one. I just made this one just for this video. Like, I'm so nice to you guys. Since you guys love my videos. So, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that little bell. And I am actually true. I'm not trying to make up a phrase for you guys. Not anything. Please subscribe, like, and hit that little bell. That is all I want you to do. Really easy. If anyone can do this who watches my channel, well, great. Now please do that. And comment down below if you like this one or not. And which one is your favorite squishy. Or if you can't comment in the comment section, if you show me. So which one do you like? Do you like the Frankenstein squishy more? So the Frankenstein squishy is a thumbs up. Or this brownie squishy. The brownie squishy is a thumbs down. So I don't care if you guys don't think it's good. But you guys, some of you guys will put a lot of thumbs down since you guys might like the brownie squishy or the long john I call it. But yeah, just thumbs down if you really want a thumbs down. Or just thumbs down for this contest. So yeah, and whoever gets the most on these, so this Frankenstein represents a special video with mom and dad, and this brownie squishy, oh my goodness, or long john squishy represents my birthday vlog. So my birthday's coming up this Friday. It's going to be really exciting. So yeah, that was it for this whole video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and so yeah, bye.